This is what the finished outfit looks like. These are the tools and materials used: a sock, scissors, thread and needle, a doll, and string. Cut the sock above the heel. Cut off the cuff. Check the size. Cut off for the arms. Turn the cuff inside out and sew together. Turn the dress inside out and put it on the doll. Pinch and sew together to make the dress fit snugly. Cut off the excess. Shape the upper back of the dress. Cut off the heel. Cut off a small strip and attach it to the neck of the dress. Fold and sew together. Put the dress on the doll and sew together the strip around the neck. Now let's make the bag. Cut the sock to the size of the bag, leaving the toes as the bottom of the bag. Fold in and sew together. Cut small holes on the sides for the string. Thread the thread through the holes. Tie a knot. We are almost done. Use scraps or cut a strip to make a headband. If you enjoyed the video, tap the like button. Done. Watch this video next.